Welcome back to Ma's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm going to share with you really one of the most simple dishes that exist on the universe, and it's really aromatic and delicious, and it's very damascene. I love it, and this is why I want to share it with you. And we call it fool ma'alla, or fried fava beans. I have here some fava beans. I bought these pre-frozen because I could not find fresh ones, and they're nice and small. I prefer them small because they have a sweetness to it. The bigger they grow, the more starch they carry, and they will be harder, and the flavor is not the same. Olive oil, and I'm just going to drop the beans in. To this, I'm going to be adding some sugar and some salt. And I'm going to keep it on medium, low heat until it cooks, stirring it occasionally. Beans are cooked. They took between 8 and 10 minutes because they're really young and tender. Now I'm going to be adding garlic. Yeah, you might be thinking everything has garlic. We eat a lot of garlic. Coriander, and this dish we put a lot of coriander. Just give it a stir, and it needs to cook for a further minute. I'm going to put the yogurt in the middle. And then I'm just going to put the beans in the middle. This dish you can eat hot and you can have cold. Delicious both ways. And that's it. Simple at its best. Delicious. Go make it.